Hello everybody, it's Brian Melville here, REMAX of Santa Clarita, the eyes and ears of Santa Clarita Real Estate. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm sorry I missed you last month. I had some other pressing issues, gave you guys a little bit of a reprieve. But we're back in the saddle and wanted to share with you guys the monthly market update for August and give you some of what's been happening over the last 30 days or so. Big developments on the interest rate front, you guys. I mean, interest rates are at ultra historic lows. I was looking on bankrate.com today, 3.5%, 3.75% or so on a 30-year fixed loan. I mean, if you can believe that, that's almost like they're giving money away. The cost of money is so low. It's lower than I've seen ever since I've been in the business. So this is certainly generating a lot more interest from buyers and spawning a lot of the activity that we are seeing here in the local Santa Clarita real estate market. But the sort of downside of all of that high level of interest has been diminished inventory. I mentioned this before in a previous blog, that our inventory levels are at ultra low levels here, at least from Santa Clarita standpoint. We're at 429 homes on the market right now. If you remove some of my two service areas that I track, Acton and Agua Dulce, we're probably actually in the low 300s as far as inventory, but it's a 59% reduction in inventory since January. So a sure sign that things are on the move. Buyers are certainly interested. Investors have been back for a while and just really gobbling up a lot of these properties. The amount of people purchasing with cash is staggering at this time, but it's not all bad news. So let me give you a little bit of what the statistics are showing us right now. As I said, 429 homes on the market, 261 homes, or 61% of our inventory is actually standard sellers. That's a good sign. We're actually getting a larger percentage of standard sellers getting back in the market. I've been talking about this too. For you sellers, what a great time to get in the market. You still got to be realistic with your price. A little concerning trend that we're seeing right now is standard sellers trying to capitalize on this low inventory time and then overpricing their homes. I mean, the bottom line is, if you're a seller, we want to help you get the most that you can, but the market's only going to bear a certain price, and a buyer who's obtaining financing may run into a potential issue with the appraisal if the price is just too high. So a great time to try to freeze your equity and cash out, but you got to do it within reason. 121 of our homes, or 28%, being short sale, a slight reduction in the number of short sales, and 41, I mean, you can believe this, only 41 homes are bank owned. And just to give you a little inside track to why that may be, a lot of these banks, as many of you have heard, have been involved with lawsuits and settlements and such for robo-signing and electronically signing of documents and notes. And so what has happened is that's prohibited these banks from sort of foreclosing on people for a little while now. And that has had sort of a ripple effect through the economy here. As you can tell, I mean, we were in the 15% inventory range of bank-owned properties, which is still not too high, but now we're at 9%, and that is shrinking daily, so, with all of this activity. In the last 30 days, we sold 320 homes, which is really about on par with what we've been selling, but with only 429 homes, and really, as I said, if you kind of factor in most of Santa Clarita removing the outlying areas, 311 or so homes, we could be out of inventory. If we actually truly sold a real 320 this next month, we could actually have 0 homes on the market. I think we all know that that's not going to happen, but it's just a very sort of irrational inventory level, and it's making things a little bit crazy out there. So with all of that said, you guys, it's not all bad news. I think the opportunities are out there, whether you're looking to buy, sell, invest, and even if you have to rent. Me and my team are here to help you. There's a solution for everyone's unique situation. If you've got a short sale, a standard sale, if you're a first-time buyer or an investor, rest assured, we deal with a lot of different clients, and we'd be happy to consult with you on your unique situation. Feel free to get in touch with us. 661-373-9714 is my direct line. And log on to the website, choosebrian.com. You can search for homes right there, front and center. Drop us an email. Say hello. Let us know how we can be of service to you. But as I always say, the opportunities are everywhere if you just know where to look. And nowadays, more than ever, the right agent and the right team matters. Give the Melville team a call, and we look forward to speaking with you guys soon. Take care.